Welcome to this video on uric acid, understanding the basics and managing high levels. This is a comprehensive guide to what uric acid is, why elevated levels are dangerous, and how to take control of your health. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness series. We begin with Chapter 1. What is uric acid? We will explore the body's natural chemistry, including how uric acid is made, where it comes from, and what role it plays in your health. Uric acid is a waste product that forms when the body breaks down purines, compounds found in cells and food. The liver produces approximately 300 to 400 milligrams of uric acid daily. It then enters the bloodstream and travels to the kidneys for processing and removal. Purines are essential nitrogen-containing compounds in our DNA and RNA. While the body produces them naturally, diet plays a major role in the total purine load. High purine sources include animal products like red meat and organ meats, as well as certain beverages like beer, spirits, and sugary drinks. Under normal conditions, a cycle of production, transport, filtration, and excretion keeps uric acid levels balanced. The kidneys handle the majority of excretion, maintaining safe blood concentrations. The natural cycle involves the liver converting purines to uric acid, which enters the bloodstream. The kidneys filter about 70% of the uric acid into urine for excretion, while the remaining 30% exits through the gastrointestinal tract. Now let's look at Chapter 2, when levels get too high. This section discusses hyperuricemia, the silent accumulation of uric acid that can lead to painful and serious health consequences. Hyperuricemia occurs when uric acid levels in the blood rise above safe thresholds, often developing due to overproduction or under-excretion. Many people have no symptoms at first, making it easy to miss without a blood test. When uric acid exceeds the body's tolerance, needle-like monosodium urate crystals form and deposit in joints, causing gout. The most common site is the big toe, with symptoms including intense pain, swelling, and redness, often worsening at night. A gout flare can be excruciatingly painful. The intense discomfort is often described as feeling like shards of glass grinding in the joint. Beyond gout, chronically elevated uric acid can lead to uric acid kidney stones. These stones form when uric acid crystallizes inside the kidneys. Symptoms include severe flank or back pain, blood in the urine, and potential urinary tract blockage. Uric acid stones form in acidic, concentrated urine, often due to dehydration and high purine intake. They are dangerous because they can obstruct urine flow, potentially leading to kidney damage. Fortunately, unlike calcium stones, uric acid stones can sometimes be dissolved with medication and hydration. Several factors increase vulnerability to high uric acid. These include genetics, diet and alcohol intake, underlying medical conditions like kidney disease and diabetes, and certain medications, as well as obesity. Finally, we reach Chapter 3, Taking Control. Here, we'll discuss the solutions, strategies, and medical interventions available to manage uric acid levels and reclaim your quality of life. Lifestyle changes are your first line of defense. This includes limiting high purine foods, reducing alcohol consumption, hydrating aggressively to help the kidneys flush uric acid, and eating smart by increasing fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Choose wisely. Your plate matters. Every meal is an opportunity to either raise or lower your uric acid levels. Avoid organ meats, shellfish, beer, and fructose-sweetened drinks. Instead, embrace cherries, low-fat dairy, coffee, leafy greens, and plenty of water. Exercise and weight management are crucial. Physical activity improves kidney function and helps maintain a healthy weight. Move regularly with low-impact activities like walking or swimming. Aim for slow, steady weight loss, as rapid weight loss can temporarily spike uric acid levels. Stay consistent. 30 minutes daily makes a difference. When lifestyle changes aren't enough, medical interventions are available. Uric acid-lowering medications include xanthine oxidase inhibitors and uricosuric agents. For acute flares, gout flare medications such as NSAIDs, colchicine, and corticosteroids may be prescribed. Working with your doctor is essential for the best treatment. Medication choices depend on your specific condition, kidney function, and medical history. Never self-medicate for hyperuricemia. Work closely with your healthcare provider to find the right combination and dosage. Managing uric acid kidney stones involves a 4-step strategy. First, hydration. 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Second, diet. Reduce purines and avoid dehydration. Third, medications. Use alkalizing agents to raise urine pH. Fourth, Procedures. Lithotripsy or PCNL may be used for large stones. Healthcare professionals play a vital role in management. They provide regular monitoring through blood tests to track levels. They ensure accurate diagnoses, differentiating between hyperuricemia, gout, and kidney stones. This leads to personalized care plans tailored to your needs. Monitoring your health is key. Regular blood tests for serum uric acid are the most reliable way to catch elevated levels early. The normal range is typically below 7.0 milligrams per deciliter for men and 6.0 milligrams per deciliter for women. Doctors usually aim to keep levels below 6.0 milligrams per deciliter to prevent crystal formation. We now begin Chapter 4, A Healthier Future. The path forward involves practical steps, sustained habits, and the confidence that comes from understanding your body. Empower your health journey. First, learn how diet, purines, and your body's chemistry interact. Second, act by making consistent lifestyle changes. Third, partner with your doctor to monitor levels and adjust treatment as needed. High uric acid is manageable, not a life sentence. Live well and embrace life by adopting 4 key habits. Eat better, stay active, stay hydrated, and see your doctor. With the right support, you can prevent flares and live an active, pain-free life.